making me hungry, all those options.
Such an awesome place.
All right, you're going to find a whole lot of family fun at Urban Air in Orange.
It's such a cool spot. We still got to go. We're excited to be joined by our friend, event coordinator, Val Morrow, along with Dre Williams, the manager of Urban Air in Orange. Guys, welcome back here to CT Style.
Thank you.
Thank you for having
They
us
said the
again.
kids are running the park right now.
Is that a scary thing? It's probably got to be fun when they're running the show, right?
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah.
We have our cell phones close by just in
Okay,
case.
just in case. Well, behave while they're here. But this is such a cool place for, I mean, you guys run the show all the time. For some of our viewers who might not be familiar, what's Urban Air Orange all about? It's insane.
Urban Air Orange is a 85,000 square feet indoor attraction park with, you name it, we have it. A little for everyone. Go-karts, laser tag, virtual reality, bowling, sky
is that a zip line?
rider.
Oh, skylighting. Wow.
It's insane. And the food. So it's like a one-stop shop. So we were talking about how many great parties you guys have, but also today we're talking about the membership. So you can save big money here, Dre, right?
Absolutely. So we just rolled out our membership plan. They range in price from $9 up to $46. And the way it works is you pay a monthly fee and you can come in every day as many times as you want. So the basics are $9.99, the deluxes are $12.99, all the way up to the Activate Awesome package, which is going to be our big seller, $46.99 a month, and it includes a free ultimate birthday party once a year.
Oh, hey
I
now.
think that's such a great idea for
savings.
kids who are not in school, they're not doing summer camp, they have to do something, right?
Right, right.
So get them out there, burn the energy off.
So this is a membership where, you know, you don't have to worry about every time coming in and buying a ticket. It's somewhere to go. As a mom, I know it's your kids that have a lot of energy and you need to get them out of the house. You could just come on down, and your membership, you pay monthly, so you don't have to worry about buying a ticket when you come in.
Yeah.
And the kids could exert that energy, have an awesome time, and
There you
rain
go.
or shine, we're open.
Well, there's so much to do there, too. It's insane. Every time we've been there, it's just we don't know, like, what to do while we're there because there's so much. I mean, there's the go-karting, bowling,
I think
there's
the rock wall. I'd like to challenge you to the rock wall, I think.
Well, Val already beat me when we were there. She kicked my
I
butt pretty
did.
bad.
Yeah.
But maybe I could take it down. Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. We have to give it a try. Or go-karts are pretty safe, too. Val, how easy is it to plan a birthday party with you guys?
Extremely easy. You could just call the park, go online, and a couple quick steps, and you have your birthday party booked, and you can be the talk of the school with the kids' birthday party at Urban Air.
So much easier than planning it yourself.
That's where all
And
the
the
cool
food is
kids
there,
are
too,
going.
added
Right,
bonus, right?
All in one, stress-free. We do the food, setup, cleanup, everything.
Great.
So
Awesome
you bring the
stuff.
birthday child, and that's it.
Simple and
Can we
easy.
handle that, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Val and Dre, thank you so much for joining us on the show. Make sure you guys at home check out
Get that
Urban Air
membership for the
Orange.
summer.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Right.
all the moms out there and dads, you got to check that out. Hey, coming up on the show.